if you're familiar with the YouTube channel What's Inside, this is their house. So pretty cool. Shout out to them. Go check them out. But if you're watching us, then you've probably seen them because we have 0 following compared to them. They're huge. They're crazy. They cut things open, I think, and like look at what's inside. So it's pretty cool. Yeah, this is like a dream come true. This is Lincoln Markham.
Hi there, what's up guys?
He is one of the greats of the Markham family What's Inside YouTube channel.
Thank you.
So, you want to tell us just a little about what you do?
Yeah, so we started our channel like 6 years ago. I had a second grade science project and we really started posting once a week videos of us just cutting stuff open and having a really fun time with me and my dad. So, yeah.
These guys are legends, so go subscribe to them if you haven't already, which I don't know how you haven't. They're super awesome. Very cool videos.
Thank you.
I can't believe you cut open your play buttons like.
Yes, they're actually inside the studio.
Yeah, we went and checked those out, but I've always dreamed of getting just like a little silver play button, but you're just slicing them open. Looks like they gave you maybe an extra one that you didn't have, or do you have multiple channels?
Yeah, so we have 2 channels. What's
Okay.
Inside Family and then What's Inside. So yeah, we got 2 play buttons.
Is the What's Inside family more like vlogs?
That's more vlogs and like showcasing how we, because we're at our new house and showcasing how we built it and just vlogs and travel and stuff like that. Yeah.
Very cool.
Awesome.
Thanks for meeting us.
Nice to meet you.
Now that I'm next to the YouTube skateboard, it seems the appropriate time to say like this video and subscribe.
Okay, right there is projector screen projector.
Yes.
Get your little floaties, sit in it, got your drinks, whatever, and just watch a movie in the pool.
That sounds kind of nice.
Yeah, this is the coolest town. I love that centerpiece.
You love the centerpiece?
Yeah, I mean it's huge, but it's just
Right now we're checking out What's Inside's house. So, let's see.